How to make natto less sticky. Tricks for texture haters. That's something I'm going to talk about today, so stick around. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the Natto King. I am the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. Okay, so I received this comment to my video. Yeah, it says, I hate the texture of natto. Do you have any idea how to combine natto so it's less slimy, sticky, and messy when eating? Except the texture, I love the flavor of it. Really good and informative video, by the way. Yeah. So I received this comment and I'd like to answer this comment today. So this was a comment to this video. The actual title is Natto Masterclass 2023's Ultimate Roundup. Right. Okay. So to make natto less sticky, the answer is in Shogun. About 2 videos ago, I shared with you this video. Yeah, it is called the mysterious food from Shogun. What is natto? Plus the dish Blackthorn ate. Yeah. So in the video, I speculated this natto dish that Blackthorn ate. Yeah. I thought it could be shirataki natto or it could have been shirasu natto. However, both shirataki and shirasu were not eaten during the Sengoku period when this drama was set. Yeah, so during the Sengoku period, the common natto dish was Natto Jiru, which is basically putting natto into a miso soup. Now, this dish was recommended by Tenkai, who was the staff officer of Ieyasu Tokugawa. When he became ill, he recommended that soup because it was really good for his health. Yeah. Now, who is Ieyasu Tokugawa? So he was the final unifier of Japan during the Sengoku period. So after Nobunaga Oda and Hideyoshi Toyotomi, yeah, and then he established Tokugawa Shogunate, and that is the beginning of Edo period, yeah. And the Ieyasu Tokugawa was the model of Toranaga Yoshii in Shogun, right? So anyway, natto jiru is the answer. Yeah, it can make natto less sticky by putting natto into the soup. Yeah, basically the sliminess sort of disappears. Yeah, so you can enjoy natto without having to cope with that sliminess. Yeah, however, some people like the sliminess, like myself. Yeah, so for those of you, maybe it's not a good idea, but if you have trouble with the texture of natto, this is one way. Yeah. And then another benefit of natto jiru is it is nutritionally rich because you can use a lot of ingredients. You can put a lot of ingredients in the soup, like you can put all kind of vegetables, you can put tofu. If you put tofu, you have a tofu, miso, and natto, so it is protein rich. Yeah. So to make natto jiru, it is very simple. All you need to do is just make a miso soup and put natto at the end. Yeah. If you don't know how to make miso soup, please watch my other videos. One is called How to Make Vegan Miso Soup. It is using kombu dashi, so not using any fish-based dashi. Yeah. Or the other one is called How to Make Omega-3 Rich Miso Soup. This one's using niboshi dashi, which is a fish-based dashi. Yeah, right. And then, so both videos shows you exactly how to make miso soup. And then at the end of the video, you put miso, yeah, after turning the gas off. And at the same time, you can put natto. It's very simple. Except when you want to make natto jiru, you want to mash natto before putting it into the soup. Yeah. First, you put natto in a container like that, and then mash natto. Yeah. And then put it at the end with miso after turning the gas off. Yeah, do not boil natto. So that's the same thing with the miso. You don't want to boil miso. So when you put miso, you first turn the gas off, right? Okay, so what happens to nattokinase? Okay, so what is nattokinase? Well, nattokinase is an enzyme in natto. Now, studies shows that nattokinase dissolves blood clots, which helps maintain good blood vessel structure, improves blood flow, and lowers the risk of heart disease. So nattokinase is critical for your heart health. Yeah, but by heating natto, it can destroy it. Yeah, so nattokinase can be destroyed by heat above 50 degrees centigrade, which is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, that is a problem. However, not all of the nattokinase is destroyed by heat. Yeah, so according to Kazuya Ogasawara, who is Natto professor, he's called Natto Hakase in Japanese, which means Natto professor. He's a basically Natto expert. Yeah. Now, exposing nattokinase to heat at 65 degrees centigrade, which is 149 Fahrenheit, for 1 hour, it destroys all of it. So by exposing natto to heat, maybe, I don't know, for 5 or 10 minutes, probably won't destroy all of it. So you still have some nattokinase left. So you don't need to worry too much about heating natto. Yeah. And also, you still gain the benefits of nattokin and vitamin K2. Yeah. And those are critical, the benefit of natto. Yeah. So for details, please watch those 2 videos ago, this the mysterious dish from Shogun. Yeah. It tells you all about vitamin K2 and nattokin and everything. Yeah. And also, the idea is putting natto at the end. Yeah, after turning the gas off, so the effect is mitigated. Yeah. All right. So another dish is natto ramen. Yeah. So basically, putting to any kind of a soup is the way to go. So yeah, you can put natto in natto ramen, and then you kind of mix the natto into the soup. Then the sliminess disappears. Yeah. Or you can put in natto curry. That's another good dish. It's very delicious too. Yeah. And one good thing about curry is it is spicy. So your mind is occupied with the spiciness so that natto's flavor doesn't bother you so much. Yeah. And then if you're worried about the heated dish, you can always use a cold soup dish, such as cold ramen or chilled Chinese noodle, natto. Yeah. Again, you mix natto into the soup, and then if the soup is cold, then it does not destroy nattokinase at all. And then, yeah, that is one way of doing it. Or even the miso soup, you can put natto after the soup, yeah, gets cooled down. That's another way too. Or you can put natto into a burger to make a natto burger, and then yeah, the stickiness sort of disappears a little bit. Not entirely, but sort of a little bit. Yeah. Or mix natto with a cheese dish, such as mac and cheese. Yeah, because mac and cheese is already slimy. Yeah, so by adding kind of natto doesn't make that much difference. Yeah, so you should try it. Yeah, it is very good. Yeah, anything cheesy. So pizza is good, or natto pasta with cheese. Yeah, that is also a good way. Or natto stir fry. Yeah. Now, so if you are worried about nattokinase, then stir fry is a better option than natto miso soup, because nattokinase is more destroyed when it is with a liquid. Yeah. But if it doesn't have any liquid, then the effect is much smaller. So stir frying natto is better in that sense than putting natto in heated soup. the thing is, the soup makes the sliminess of natto disappear. So, yeah, it does not reduce the sliminess as much. But still, by mixing natto with many other vegetables, it mitigates the texture. Yeah. And then the same thing is true about salad. Yeah, by putting many different kind of vegetables, yeah, and then it mellows down the kind of sliminess. Yeah, and then this is a cold dish, so you don't need to worry anything about nattokinase, right? Yeah. Anyway, for those recipes, yeah, please read Natto Unleashed, the secret Japanese superfood that will revolutionize the Western diet. Yeah, they're all in there, except the Natto Jiru. I don't think I put the recipe of Natto Jiru there, but it's, it's very easy. Just the same process as making miso soup. Yeah. And then the book contains the information about the health benefits such as nattokin, vitamin K2, nattokinase, everything you need to know about natto's health benefits. Yeah. And where to buy natto and DIY natto, how to make natto at home and navigating natto taste. So this time I kind of focused on how to get rid of that texture, the sliminess, but also mitigating the flavor itself. There are some other ways. Yeah, so please read that chapter if you want to know more about navigating natto's taste. And then finally, natto hacking. If you're a biohacker, you want to know how to optimize natto eating for your biohacking. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of Natto Unleashed and the Ikigai Diet. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Do you have any recipes that can make natto less sticky? Thank you. Yeah, in the next video, I'll share with you one special secret to get rid of the sliminess of natto or even the flavor of natto. But this one I have never talked about. It's not even in the book. Yeah, so please look forward to the next video. Thank you. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!